Created in 1997 as part of the Taxpayer Relief Act, the Roth IRA has grown into one of the most popular investing accounts out there today, and for good reason. This investing account is a place where people's money can grow tax-free and stay away from Uncle Sam's slimy hands. If you're new here, my name is Kate. I talk about all things investing and personal finance, and today I'm going to give you the quick and dirty on a Roth IRA in less than 5 minutes, all the things that you actually need to know so that you can go open a Roth IRA up and get started investing. So we're running out of time. Let's go ahead and get into it. First off, what is a Roth IRA? Roth IRA is a type of post-tax investing account. So what this means is that the dollars that you contribute to a Roth IRA are after tax. This is different than a traditional IRA in which the money you contribute to that account is pre-tax and then you pull it out and pay taxes on the gains and the income later. A Roth IRA is unique in that since you're already paying the taxes up front, when you go to pull your gains out later on, Uncle Sam does not get to touch that money. And to give a quick example right off the bat of just how powerful a Roth IRA is, invested correctly and maxed out for 30 years, you can expect a Roth IRA to grow to around $800,000. So following our previous example, if we maxed a Roth IRA out for 30 years and it grew to that $800,000 number, we'd have about $590,000 in interest that we had earned over the course of that money being invested. And when we go to pull it out, all of that money would be tax-free for you to use in retirement. Now, this all sounds great, but there is some rules that you have to know before you invest in a Roth IRA. The first is that there are income limits to who is allowed to actually contribute to a Roth IRA. If you are single, you have to make less than $150,000 a year in order to be eligible to contribute to a Roth. If you make over that, the amount you can contribute is going to slowly phase out. If you are married filing jointly, you have to make less than $236,000 a year, or else what you contribute is also going to be slowly phased out. And knowing the government, they're not just going to let us run away with this awesome account, so there is actually a contribution limit as well too. If you are under 50 years old, you can only contribute up to $7,000 a year. And if you are over 50, that actually bumps up to $8,000 a year. These are the 2025 limits. If you're watching this video later down the line, go and check because they usually bump these up every few years as well too. And one of the most important rules that you need to understand is that with a Roth IRA, you cannot withdraw your gains tax-free until you are 59 and a half or older. At any point, you can go in and pull out your contributions, but in order to avoid a penalty, you cannot take your gains out until you are over 59 and a half. And lastly, a few quick things to remember. A Roth IRA is only a type of account. It is not actually the investment. Once you open a Roth IRA, you have to go inside of your Roth and actually invest that money inside of your Roth IRA. My favorite is the low-cost index funds and ETFs. These are proven, have a great historical performance, and are super easy to manage. And following that too, I said it earlier, but you can pretty much open a Roth IRA with any type of brokerage. And so my personal favorite is Fidelity and Vanguard, and then also Public. Those are three that I've experience with and I've used in the past. And so if you're looking for somewhere to open a Roth IRA, those three are all good options. So that's the quick and dirty on a Roth IRA. What you need to know, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, let the YouTube algorithm know that you're about to go open a Roth IRA yourself and start investing. Other than that, thank you for watching. Drop any questions down below, and I'll see you in the next one.